Hello everyone! Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily delete offline videos in the TikTok app. Be sure, friends, put likes under the video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and write your comments after watching. So let us get down to the topic with you. If you have previously uploaded or added videos to yourself in the TikTok app for offline viewing, but now you need to free up some space, I will show you how to do it with ease. First of all, open the TikTok app. After that, navigate to your profile. Next, you will need to click on the three bars. Select Settings and Privacy. In Settings, you will get this menu. Find the section which is so-called Offline Videos. And this is where you will go to the various videos that you have uploaded on TikTok that you can view without the internet. If you no longer need to watch these videos and you need to free up your memory, it's very easy to delete them. To do this, you will need to click on the gear on the top right. You will see a small menu like this. Then at the bottom you will see how much space these videos take up, the number of them. And now you have to click on Clear at the bottom. Please confirm your action. And as you can see, literally immediately these videos will be cleared, and your offline video feed will be emptied. This is such a very quick and easy way you can, friends, delete offline videos in TikTok. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to put likes. Take care, friends.